right. So the main electrical panel,
Yep,
you check that.
we do.
GFCI and AFCI,
Yes,
CO2 and smoke detectors,
yes,
space heater safety,
no.
service cable,
Mm,
grounding,
we look at that. Yes, we look at the grounding.
safety hazards. This says I'm gonna call that a no, the way we have it in here. Surge protection, we just talked about that, so obviously you want to do that. Extension cords are a no. Circuit breakers, I'm
Yeah,
assuming that's a yes.
that's part of panels.
Right, part of panels. Oh, excuse me. Electrical appliances,
No,
outlets and switches,
yes,
reverse polarity,
no.
wiring inspections.
Not initially, no.
Okay.